Hi, this is a demo for the Motion 2350 Pro Soccer Robot. Connect your DC motors. Connect your USB dongle and power on your soccer robot. If your robot doesn't move, don't panic, just press the reset button. Now, enjoy your soccer robot. For more information, read the description below.